After spending the day in Arafah, at sunset or Maghrib head to Muzdalifa, which is a place on the way back to Mina. Pilgrims combine the Maghrib and Isha prayer together in Muzdalifa and stay there overnight. You'll be sleeping outside in the open air. For men, remember not to cover your head while in the state of Ihram. While in Muzdalifa, you may want to collect pebbles for stoning the Jamarat pillars, one of the rites you'll perform in the days to come. Leaving Arafat for Muzdalifa is extremely crowded and chaotic. Please stay close to your group to avoid getting separated. Once in Muzdalifa, it's like camping in the desert, only with a few million people. You'll also be extremely tired at this point. Do your best to ignore the noise, crowd, and confusion. Remember, it is temporary.
Now